What's in the big box unboxing video? Let's find out. What's in the big box? They sure made it hard to open with these giant metal staples. I'm gonna cut it. Knife. Don't cut it to miss anything inside. Saw cutting cardboard. Almost there are people. What's inside the big box? Big box surprise. And the 95602. It's an electric eel. Drain cleaning machine. In the 95602, Auburn, California. Electric eel drain cleaning machine. I'll put a cable in there. It's got a handle crank piece. It attaches to the back. And it's for drain cleaning. And then it's got grease fittings, grease bearings. And the cable that I put in there later will come with a accessory pack of blade tips. Blade tips to put on the end of the cable. Auburn Drain Cleaning, Auburn, California 95602. Subscribe for updates. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.